guys, welcome to Budding Brothers. I am Pranav.
I am Srish.
I am Adityan.
I am Aditi.
So with my friends, we are here in Vagamon. Bored staying inside. So we decided to take a nature break to hills and mountains. We took a small trip to Vagamon last week. We took all the precautions like mask and sanitizer. We never got down in crowded places. The nature was amazing. Deep into nature, look deep into nature, and you will understand everything. The clear blue sky and the greenery was so beautiful. The chirping of birds, the buzzing of bees, beautiful flowers and dewdrops in the leaves. It was exotic. My wish is to stay always like this. Live quietly in a corner of nature. We played in small hills. I will never forget this small trip in our lifetime. Did you like our adventure? If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe.
we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Budding Brothers. I am Pranav.
I am Srish.
I am Adityan.
I am Aditi.
So guys, we are here at cut. 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 Cut.